Want to take a look at these jars that I bought off Amazon. They're 10 ounces each. And I bought these because I take 8 different powdered supplements each morning. And each one is measured separately and then put in a cup, and then I mix it with either some pop or water, whatever it might be. But what I want to do is be able to make up 7 of these for the whole week ahead of time, put the powder in here, and then I don't have to waste the time in the morning before work, and then it's just a simple matter of each morning putting my pop or water in here, stirring it up, or if it's just water and not pop, put the lid back on, shake it up, and then just drink right out of this, and then wash this out, clean it, and you've saved a lot of time from having to measure each one of those out in the morning. Now, as you know, there's certain items on Amazon that are very similar. You have to go through the description, look at what what they think of it, and so it's kind of confusing. So I looked through quite a few of them before I chose this particular one. What I liked about these is they were the right size, 10 ounce, and they had some good reviews. And you know, it's kind of a crapshoot when you choose something like this. And they had 12 of them, which is what I wanted. I wanted to have more than 7 to choose from. Now these are 10 ounce capacity. They're marked off in milliliters. You'll note that it shows the temperature range from which they're worked with. You've got minus 20 degrees Celsius, which is equal to minus 4 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you've got plus 150 degrees Celsius, which is equivalent to 302 degrees Fahrenheit. So quite a range. They say they are dishwasher safe. These come packaged very well with this heavy foam type on both top and bottom. And then each glass is in a cellophane. And again, when you buy stuff like this, where there's so many items that are similar, it's just a crapshoot. And I was very impressed with the quality of these glass jars. No rough edges, everything is smooth. Extremely nice. As well, the lids are very nice. And you can see that it may not show up on camera, but it's as if they have a nice lacquer coating on them. Now, I didn't see it in these reviews, but in some other ones, they were saying this, like the cap, because you've got the inner plastic here, and then you've got the covering, which is this stainless or this metal covering. Some of them were saying that the coverings were coming off from the inside, but that's not a concern. If it did happen, just a little bit of epoxy, just mix up just a little bit of epoxy, put it on here, and glue it back on. But like I said, if that ever happened, that's how I would handle that part of it. And then you can see that it does have a nice silicone seal in here. And the lids go on extremely smooth. So here you see I have all 8 of my powdered supplements mixed up already, ready to go. And then each morning I'll take one that's already been prepped, add water, shake it up, and then drink right out of here and then wash it out. It'll make it very simple and speed things up for me in the morning. So like I said, I think these are excellent glass jars, quality, and if you're going to do prep like something like this, they're going to work out excellent.